Imagine stepping into your backyard and picking fresh herbs for natural remedies. Sounds incredible, right? With the Medicinal Garden Kit, this dream can be your reality. It's your all-in-one solution to start growing powerful medicinal herbs at home. This kit comes with seeds for some of the most effective herbs, like echinacea for boosting your immune system, lavender for calming your mind, and chamomile for soothing your stomach. Whether you're an experienced gardener or just starting, the Medicinal Garden Kit is designed to make it easy. All you need is a small space and the desire to grow your own natural pharmacy. Imagine brewing a cup of herbal tea straight from your garden or creating your own healing balms and tinctures, knowing exactly where your ingredients come from. The Medicinal Garden Kit includes everything you need: high-quality seeds, easy-to-follow instructions, and even tips on how to use each herb for your health. Why rely on store-bought remedies when you can grow your own? Take control of your health with the Medicinal Garden Kit and enjoy the benefits of fresh, organic herbs. Ready to start your own medicinal garden? Click the link in the bio to get your Medicinal Garden Kit today and begin your journey to natural wellness. Order now and transform your garden into a natural pharmacy.